how to delete your TikTok account. Welcome to another TikTok tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your TikTok account. If this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel. The first thing we need to do is open up the TikTok app on our iPhone or Android phone and select the profile icon in the bottom right of the app. Once you get to your profile, select the 3 horizontal lines in the top right of the app to open the menu, and then in the bottom menu, select Settings and Privacy. Once the Settings and Privacy, then select Account, which should be near the top, and then select the last option for Deactivate or Delete Account. So as you can see in here, there are 2 different options. Select second option is to delete your account permanently, and this will deactivate your account for 30 days. And if you do not reactivate your account by logging in after 30 days, your account will be deleted. So that's what we're going to select. Then tell them, why are you leaving TikTok? Just then scroll down and select Continue. Once you select Continue, you'll be given an option to download all of your TikTok data, including your video posts, things like that. Keep in mind, once you delete your account, you will no longer be able to download these things. So if you want to go ahead and get it down by selecting Request Download. Once you're ready to delete your account, select a little dot next to By Continuing and select Continue. Select Continue at the bottom, then enter your password, then select Delete Account. Confirm one more time that you want to delete your account, right? And there you go. Your TikTok account has now been deleted. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. Get back to you as soon as I can. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.